Hello students, lesson 5, exercise number 8. Complete a phrase avec une true empressure. See the example. Anywhere is not mentioning any title. So, subjunctive you have to use, but it is not mentioning. Je dois consulter un dentiste. I must consult a dentist. Here, two verbs they are using. When two verbs are placed side by side, the first verb should be conjugated and second verb should be in infinitive form. See the first verb DOIS is in infinitive forms. They were. So they were verb, it is coming though. Okay. And second verb is in infinitive form. It's not conjugated. Because the first verb is conjugated, second verb is in infinitive form. So I hope you remember, if the verb is infinitive form, either end with ER or IR or RE, I must consult a dentist. So what you have to do here, instead of using the verb must, they want to start the sentence by using the expressions it is necessary that. Il faut que. I must consult the dentist. Instead of that, il faut que. It is necessary that I must consult the dentist. So they are asking us to avoid using the verb the were, and they want you to talk about the same conversations by using expressions il faut que. When the expressions is necessity or order, after that any verb, that verb should be in subjunctive tense. So it is necessary that I might consult an dentist. So the verb consulte is in subjunctive. So ILS of the present tense, remove ENT, you will get the stems, subjunctive stems, and ending, according to the subject, ending you can write. First one, nous devons partir bonne heure. We must leave early in the morning. So two verbs, devoir and partir. So devons and partir is placing side by side. The first verb is conjugated and second verb is in infinitive form. According to the example, we have to present the answer here. So avoid this using devons, must. Instead of that, you have to use il faut que. See here, il faut que, the same subject comes there, and parti, you have to conjugate in subjunctive. So subjunctive tense you have to conjugate that parti. So parti is placed after the expressions. That is after ka the parti is coming. So remember that. Okay. So partir should be in subjunctive. Gender rule for partir, ILS of partir. In that remove ENT and you are getting the stem PART, and a subject is NOUS and ending is IONS. Second one. Les élèves devront obtenir de ton note. The students must get the good marks. Devoir you have to avoid, and second infinitive form you have to conjugate it in subjunctive. In devoir you can use il faut que, and same subject you can write and verb you have to place. So after the expressions you have to write the verb. That verb should be in subjunctive. So subjunctive conjugations for obtenir. So it's something like venir. So you have to see the new form, ill form of the things and remove ENT, and remaining things you have to write it. So OBTIENNENT and remove ENT. Here subject is plural, so again you have to add ENT. So the people is plural, Okay, they. Third person plural, so I have to add ending ent. Okay, so this is very important. And subjunctive ending, its present ending both is same. So obtiment is your answer. It is necessary. The peoples must get the good marks. Third one. Le maître d'école doit apprécier le professeur de langue. The school principals must appreciate the teacher, that is language teacher. The word must you have to avoid, and instead of that you have to use il faut que. Il faut que, it is necessary that the principals, school principals appreciate. Appreciate is in placed after the expressions necessity. So appreciate you must write in subjunctive tense. So removing ent and add according to the subject. Here subject is the school principal. So add e at the ending. So it is ill form, masculine singular. You can add the ending e is enough. So appreciate. Fourth one. L'école doit avoir une grande tour de récréation. The school must have the great playground, big playground. So therefore you must avoid. Instead of that, il faut que you have to use, and the same subject l'école. After that, avoir you have to conjugate it in subjunctive. So avoir is the irregular verb, and so subjunctive conjugation you must mark up. So subject is the school. It is a school. It is a third person feminine singular. So our special spelling for subjunctive is ait. So it is there in your back side of your book. Okay, that you just go through. Then fifth one. Les professeurs doivent être patients. The teachers must be patience. Instead of must, you can use il faut que. Okay, le professeur dash patient. So the author should be in subjunctive. That also irregular. So you must go through that last page. Then only you can remember. For our, author and alle, you have to go through. Okay, thank you.